Hey, welcome to a presentation on two sources of energy. This presentation was created by Kiran and Shriram to describe one source of energy that we use today, as well as a theoretical form of energy. The first source of energy we'll be talking about today is wood energy. Wood energy is considered renewable because our supply of wood can run out, but can also be harvested to our heart's content. Wood, when used, turns into ash, so to replenish our supply, we can do this by growing more trees. Wood energy can be used through multiple methods, but most often direct combustion and gasification are used. To use this energy source, we simply need some fire. However, in today's world, we have made it much more advanced. We now use a combination of a boiler, condenser, turbine, and a generator to harness the energy generated from wood. This form of energy was used hundreds of thousands of years ago as fuel for fire to warm the homes of our ancient ancestors. Wood energy is currently being used to power 2.09% of the US population, which is approximately 6,894,074 people. It benefits most, other than those of companies who compete with wood energy. Some of its advantages include the fact that it is easily renewable and very cheap. However, it still causes pollution. It releases wood smoke, which is composed of fine particles and toxic air pollutants. But the bigger issue of wood energy is the amount of deforestation it causes, which is absolutely terrible for the environment. This can be made cleaner by burning wood more efficiently, because that burns more of the wood and creates less smoke. We can also learn to replant as many trees that we used to combat deforestation. This is most probably going to become a very advanced energy source in the future. But, however, right now the main issues are deforestation and pollution. The second source of energy is solar wind power. Solar wind power is considered an inexhaustible energy source because solar energy cannot run out for as long as humans require it. The energy source will be made usable by first launching a satellite into outer space. That satellite will travel to the surface of the sun, just like the ongoing Parker Solar Probe by NASA, and harness the power of the solar winds generated by the sun to turn a turbine. The energy will then be pushed onto energy storage units on Earth in the form of a strong infrared laser. However, since the technology needed to create the satellite doesn't exist yet, the project is stored away as a future possibility. But, according to some early prototype drawings, the satellite will feature a large and heavy turbine with a wide array of mirrors. Realistically, this project will never happen unless its goal is shifted from powering the Earth to powering nearby space missions. If this idea works out to its full extent, then it will benefit nearly everyone, unless you are affiliated with a fossil fuel or a nuclear power company. This will not cause pollution in outer space or the Earth due to the fact that the energy source is not within the Earth. Technology is still being worked on, and scientists are trying to find a way to transfer the sun's energy to the Earth without blowing it up. As said before, the project will probably never power the Earth since most people will not approve of a source of power that can cause them all to die.
That's all, folks.